welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally get to share with you the exciting news. Will and I are buying a house. We are so stinking excited. We've been waiting so long to share this with you, and we actually drove by the house the other day with the realtor and she left it unlocked. So after she left, we snuck back in and we got an empty house tour for y'all. So I'm going to show you everything today. But I want to go ahead and say we did initially want to buy land, and I think I said that in a previous video, and then build a house on it. But we decided that at this point in our life, it's probably better to just purchase a home in a neighborhood, and then that way, if we want to move in a few years, it won't be a huge loss to us. So we love this house though. It's brand new. It's got everything gray and white on the interior. The countertops are all granite. The master bathroom is amazing. It's got a jetted tub and a double sink vanity, a shower, all of that jazz. So I'm so excited to share this with y'all, and I'm so excited for the upcoming moving vlogs and decorating vlogs, so stay tuned for that. But first things first, I wanted to show y'all my 500 subscriber giveaway because I have waited way too long to show y'all this. Thank you so much. If you are subscribed to my channel, it means the world to me. And if you are not, and this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Lauren, and I like to make videos about cleaning, decorating, homemaking, home decor, everything like that. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to hit that little red subscribe button below and become part of this family. I would love to have you. And also, if you enjoy this video today, give it a thumbs up for me because that really helps out my channel. But I'm going to go ahead and show y'all this giveaway, and then we're going to get busy with that empty house tour. I cannot wait to show y'all. You're going to love it. So anyways, for my 500 subscriber giveaway, I've decided to just make up a basket. I asked y'all on Instagram if you wanted me to do lots of my favorite things or one big item, and I was surprised at how many of you said just lots of my favorite things. So I went ahead and went shopping and just grabbed up some of the things that I use all the time and that I've showed in my videos, so I'm going to go ahead and share it with you. I went ahead and got this cute little basket from TJ Maxx. It's adorable. It's this wood basket with gold detail and little holes. And I put in some fall things in here too because obviously we love fall. But I got this little toilet wand. This is like so handy to have, and if you don't already have one, it's going to change your life. If you do already have one, it's always good to have two, so I wanted to include that in the giveaway. I also picked up these gloves because they have this scrubber on it, and I showed you guys this in my video not too long ago. I have a purple pair and I love them. You can put them on, you can get all of your dishes done, and then when you're done doing your dishes, you can go ahead and scrub out your sink with them because they are just super handy. So I picked up a pair of those for y'all, and I picked up a set of the Acorn Spice Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and hand soap. This stuff smells amazing. It's perfect for fall. I threw in a Downy Bliss fabric softener because y'all know I rave about this stuff. It smells so good. I also use it in my toilet bowl, and it makes our whole entire bathroom smell amazing, and you're gonna love that. Also picked up these cute little fall towels from TJ Maxx. Oops. They have leaves on them, and it's like blue, gold, red colors. It's kind of glittery. It's really pretty. So I picked those up to add in there. They're really good quality too. They're super thick. I picked up this adorable gold pumpkin with a sparkly stem. It's made out of fabric material, and I thought it was gorgeous. And then I also picked up this candle from Target. I'm not sure if this candle will make it in the mail very well, but it is Heritage Pumpkin. It smells so good, and even if it gets to you melted, worth it. It smells so good. Just take a sniff of it. And then I also picked up this Scotch Brite bathroom scrubber. This thing comes in so handy when you're cleaning out your tub. It's got a grip on it, and you can just get down and dirty with it. So I love this thing. I have one of these from Walmart. This is actually better quality than the one I have, so you're welcome. And that is it for my giveaway. This basket will come with it, and I'm also going to put in a Starbucks gift card. So all you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, comment down below on this video, and then make sure you're following me over there on Instagram, and that's all you have to do. I'm going to put all of your names in a bucket, and I'm going to have my sister draw out of it, and that's how we'll pick the winner. So good luck to you. I hope I find a person who really loves it, and let's go ahead and get into this empty house tour. Here's our new house. This is our living room. It's a nice big living room. I love the floor. Show them the floors close up. This is like I guess a tile, but I love that it's all gray and white. I love these windows because they're letting so much light. And I think what we're going to do eventually is probably paint some of these walls white to make it a little bit lighter in here. Show them this side of the room. This this side of the house, there's no windows open to the living room, which I kind of like because I feel safe. And the front door doesn't have any windows, which I love because nobody can peek in at us when we're relaxing on the couch.
Yeah, relaxing.
What did you say?
It's relaxing.
I'm excited about this wall because we can put one of those big tables here with a big mirror and decorate it for fall and Christmas, so I'm excited about that. Let's show them the kitchen before we go back. Actually, yeah, let's show them the kitchen. This is what I'm most excited about, the granite countertop. And all my YouTube peeps, they know. Look at this. Woo! I'm so excited about this. I finally have a sink that doesn't have clear knobs. I'm so excited. And this is our disposal, and I thought that was really cool. It's just a button that you press. Can you see it? Okay. And I love these countertops. Show them a close up of the countertops. They're like a really pretty granite. Okay. And then this is our little eat-in area. And I'm loving the chandelier. Although this eat-in area is kind of small, so we'll probably have to get like a little rectangle wood table rather than the little white table that I just bought. But I'm loving this area. And then you come into the kitchen. And it's not super open concept, but right here I can still see everything that's going on in the living room, so that's nice. We've got a nice new dishwasher. Everything is new, and that's what I love. We're the first people to use all of it. Nice dishwasher, nice oven, brand new microwave, and this cabinet over here is really cool. I'm excited about this. Lazy Susan for all of our spices or whatever we want to put in there. And then this cabinet down here is also super cool because it's got another Lazy Susan. Show them this. Super neat. We can store all our Tupperware and stuff in there. And then these drawers are awesome too because you can pull them out. Whoa, that's a hot mess. And then when you shut them, I love that. And then this is where our fridge is gonna go. I'm excited about our new fridge. We've never had our own fridge before. We're also gonna have to get a washer and dryer. This is our laundry room in here. And it's not super big, but I think it's plenty big for us. There's a hanging rod, a little shelf, and then this cabinet can hide all of our junk away. So we gotta get some washers and dryers for here, or just one washer and dryer. This little closet right here is our water heater, and it's got shelves, so I'll probably store all of my cleaning supplies in here, so I'm excited about that. This here is our garage. It's a really big mess right now, but it's a nice big 2-car garage. And then we have a walk-in attic that's really nice. So I love that. All right, let's come back in. All right, now we're heading out of the kitchen. And here's our pantry. I'm so excited about this. Huge pantry. I cannot wait to organize all of these shelves for y'all. And then right on the other side of the pantry is the master bedroom. So a nice big master bedroom. We're probably gonna paint these walls white eventually. Maybe not right away because we're too busy for that. But here's our closet, and our master closet is not huge. So I may be using one of the other closets for me, and then we'll have this one, but it is a good size. There's a little area right here to hang clothes, and then all the way around. Right, now we're gonna head into the master bathroom, and I'm really excited about this because we not only have our standing shower with a seat there, but also
a toilet.
A big jetty tub. I'm so excited. So really excited about that. Our toilet is kind of close to our tub, so that's kind of awkward, but we're gonna make it work. It's actually really close, holy cow. And then our 2 sinks, I'm so excited about this. We now each have our own sink. And same with the drawer pulls in here. Lots of nice drawer pulls throughout the house. And then we have a nice big closet to store towels and stuff. All right, now I'm gonna take you back to the back of the house where the bedrooms are. Oh, it came on for something good. Oh, it does. All right, so this is where the bedrooms are. We've got a nice little guest bathroom here. Pretty granite countertops. And then just a basic tub. All right. Now we're gonna come out, and right here, I kind of love the layout of this. The bedrooms aren't super big, but we're gonna use them for offices anyways, because no kids. So I'm gonna take you to this one first real quick. This is just a simple bedroom. I love the color of the carpet, and then I like kind of like the shape of the room. This would be really nice for an office. And you have a view right to the front porch. This closet is really nice. It's a super big closet, so I may actually end up using this as my closet, and then Will can use ours. All right, now I'm gonna show you the other bedroom. And this bedroom, I'm gonna try to convince Will to let me have this for my office because I love the tall ceilings. Show them all the way up there. I'm loving those vaulted ceilings. I love all of the natural light in this room. This would be so cute for a nursery eventually when we have a baby. And then inside this closet is really pretty. I love that it has double doors. And that's a really nice size closet too. This will probably one day be a nursery, but until then it's gonna be my office. Hopefully, if I can convince Will. All right, and that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go show you all the backyard real quick. One thing I really love about this is you can pinch this little thing and the blinds close. And the blinds are inside the glass so that if you have a puppy dog and it's jumping up on there, you can't get to the blinds. So I love that feature. I'm gonna take y'all outside. And I'm gonna show y'all the backyard, but I'm not gonna talk out here because there are builders working and I don't want them to think I'm weird. All right, let's go. I love that our backyard backs up to the woods. We plan to put a fence up, and I think that this patio out here would be so pretty with a pergola so we can roast marshmallows out here and just hang out with friends. But I'm so excited for all that's to come in this cute little house. Thank you so much for letting me share it with y'all today. That's all I have. Don't forget to enter that giveaway before Friday at midnight, and I will announce the winner on my Instagram this Saturday, and I will see y'all next Thursday. Bye.